Hey everyone, you guys interested in seeing a piece that just came in the mail today from Great Collections? Yeah, it's a 39D Mercury dime, which graded out PCGS Mint State 66 full split bands. And to make it even better, it's CAC certified, so it has a green bean on there. How does $52 sound on this one? It's I looked it over and I'm like, okay, well, the obverse is ridiculously clean. The obverse looks like it's a 67 or higher. And then I looked and flipped around onto the back, and I got my pointer right here. So the split bands here, top, middle, and bottom, are fully defined. If you follow my pointer right here, there are a couple little tiny nicks on two of the fascies on there, and that's why this one got dinged. And it's noticeable enough to drop it down to a 66. It didn't even, take a consideration for a plus designation. It really doesn't change the value a whole heck of a lot, but there you go. 39D Merc dime. So, as kind of an additional point to this whole video, okay, it's worth mentioning that there are a number of coins out there. In fact, there's a lot of them, tens of thousands, that you could procure at just the right level before they get pricey, like really pricey. Take for instance this 39D. Okay, it's reasonable at this level, this grade level, but once you hit like 67 and 67 plus, we're talking a few $100s. 67, it's right around 120 to 150. 67 plus is double that, and 68 is moon money. But judging from the luster and the overall cleanliness of this particular example right here, this feels like I bought something extravagant for beer money, I guess, if we're gonna use kind of an analogy to it. But whew, wow, this has got to be probably one of my better buys in recent memory. Yeah, give those guys a try at Great Collections. Ian Russell, the president, runs a pretty good tight ship there, and a really nice guy. But man, he's got some nice coins on there for not being eBay or Heritage, So yeah, there you go. That's my new acquisition for the week, I guess. Don't know if I'll be getting anything else this week, but if you enjoy the content, I know I do, go ahead and hit the like button, give me a huge thumbs up, and subscribe, Blue Ridge Silverhound. You guys take care and have a great rest of your afternoon. I'll see you later.